You're about to embark on the nerve-wracking journey of a job search, and let's be real, your resume is your golden ticket. But with so many online resume builders out there, all promising to land you your dream job, a critical question often pops up: is Kickresume legit? It's a valid concern, isn't it? In an age where online scams are rampant and data privacy is a constant worry, it's only natural to be skeptical of any service that asks for your personal information and, potentially, your money. You're looking for a tool that genuinely helps, not one that adds another layer of stress to an already stressful process. You want to know if Kickresume delivers on its promises: professional, eye-catching resumes that actually get past those notorious applicant tracking systems, or ATS. You've heard the whispers. Some online builders create beautiful but functionally useless documents. You've probably also seen the glowing testimonials, the promises of AI-powered magic, and the sleek designs. But what's the real story behind the hype? Are those success stories genuine? Is your data safe? And perhaps most importantly, will using Kickresume truly give you an edge in today's fiercely competitive job market? Well, let's dive deep into the world of Kickresume and unpack everything you need to know to answer that question for yourself. First off, let's establish the basics. Kickresume has been around for a while, since 2013 to be exact. That's over a decade of operation, which, in the fast-paced online world, is a significant indicator of legitimacy. Scams rarely last that long. They also boast a substantial user base, with over 3 million job seekers reportedly using their platform, and some even claiming to have landed jobs at big-name companies like Google, Tesla, and SpaceX. While individual results will always vary, these numbers suggest a widely adopted and generally trusted service. But numbers alone don't tell the whole story. Let's talk about what makes Kickresume tick. Its features. At its core, Kickresume is a resume and cover letter builder. They offer a wide array of professionally designed templates, over 50 of them, catering to various industries and styles, from classic and conservative to more creative designs. This is a huge plus because a well-designed resume can undeniably make a strong first impression. What's more, they emphasize that their templates are ATS-friendly, meaning they're structured to be easily parsed by the automated systems recruiters use to screen applications. This is crucial because a resume that doesn't pass ATS is a resume that never gets seen by human eyes. Beyond just pretty templates, Kickresume integrates AI tools to assist with content creation. This is where things get really interesting. Their AI resume writer can generate entire sections of your resume, like work experience, based on your job title. Imagine typing in marketing manager and having the AI suggest action-driven bullet points that are relevant to that role. They also have an AI cover letter writer that can tailor a cover letter to a specific job description you provide, and even an AI resume rewriter to polish and improve existing content. This can be a massive time saver and a huge help if you struggle with articulating your accomplishments. They also offer an AI resume checker that analyzes your resume against successful ones in their database, providing feedback on things like effective space usage, overused expressions, and action verbs. This simulates a recruiter's review, giving you insights to optimize your document. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Like many online services, Kickresume operates on a freemium model. You can create unlimited resumes and cover letters for free, as long as you stick to their basic templates and customization options. However, to unlock the full suite of features, including all premium templates, advanced customization, and unlimited use of their AI tools, you'll need a premium subscription. Their pricing is competitive with monthly, quarterly, and yearly options. They also have a fantastic initiative that offers 6 months of free premium access to students and teachers, which is a commendable commitment to education and a great way for new graduates to get a professional start. But what about the user experience? Reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, where Kickresume holds a strong average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from thousands of reviews, generally highlight ease of use and the quality of the resumes created. Users appreciate the clean interface, the ability to import data from LinkedIn to jumpstart the process, and the real-time preview that shows you exactly how your resume will look. The AI content generation often receives praise for providing good starting points and helping to optimize for keywords. However, no service is perfect, and Kickresume does have some areas where users have expressed minor frustrations. Some free users find the limited template options restrictive, and while the AI is generally helpful, some reviews mention that the suggestions can sometimes be generic, requiring further refinement. There have also been occasional comments about certain advanced formatting options being less flexible than desired, or difficulties in filling the entire page with content using some free templates. And while the AI helps with ATS, some users on review platforms like Product Hunt or TealHQ have mentioned that the AI features, while serviceable, aren't always as groundbreaking as some of their competitors in tailoring content specifically to job descriptions. When you weigh these points, it becomes clear Kickresume is, in fact, a legitimate and reputable service. It's not a scam. It provides a robust set of tools, especially with its premium features and AI integrations, that genuinely help job seekers craft professional and visually appealing resumes and cover letters. Its long operational history, positive user reviews, and commitment to data privacy, being based in the EU, they adhere to GDPR, all contribute to its credibility. It's an excellent option for those who want a guided experience in resume building, appreciate sleek designs, and want to leverage AI to save time and optimize their documents. While the free version offers a good taste of the platform, the true power of Kickresume lies in its premium offerings, particularly for those who need comprehensive AI assistance and a wider range of design choices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.